Belle in our new RV, her TV up there. She's liking our new RV. She's like, Pop, we're gonna have some fun in this RV. You can climb down the steps, perfect. Don't hurt yourself, okay? All right, I love this RV. What's this, the bathroom? Oh, this is a shower. Oh, bathroom is nice. Bathroom is nice. I'll mirror there, Belle. Be careful going down, Belle. You go down one shower, up a little window there, a little dispenser. I'll get you down, just wait. Bedroom back here. Oh man, I can't believe we bought an RV, Belle. We gotta get a TV. They just didn't have a TV right there. 1 foot down on there, there you go. 1 foot, then turn around. Put the other foot down. You're doing it. Come on, there you go, good job. Then the other foot, keep going down, it's flat. You got it. There you go. Belle in the RV. Keep going. So you got to learn how to get up to your bed, don't you? Good job. Good job.